A tornado warning remains in effect until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Madison and East Central Hinds counties. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. At 11:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a dangerous tornado. This tornado was located near Clinton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Jackson, Ridgeland, and Madison. A tornado warning means that a tornado is occurring or imminent. You should activate your tornado action plan and take protective action now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday afternoon for Northeast Louisiana and Mississippi.